everyone, this is Elsa. Welcome to Mon Laser live show.
Hello everyone, this is Crystal. This time we will introduce the fiber laser welding machine to you. This laser welding machine can use the stainless steel, carbon steel, aluminum, and other metals. It is widely used in aviation, machinery, electrical appliances, automotive and manufacture, and so on.
Okay, let's introduce you the components of the fiber laser welding machine.
This is ultra-feeding fiber laser welding machine. You can see this type includes the laser source. It provides continuous energy for the welding of the whole machine.
And this is the laser welding head. It's responsible for the mantle welding. We exclusively customize the coupon welding nozzles, which is durable and does not conduct heat.
This is the software. It is used to adjust welding parameters such as power, speed, PWM, etc. And this is the ground clamp. Equivalent to the function of the ground wire. You only need to clamp it to the metal and replace the ground wire.
Yes, and please see here. This is the water cooling. You can see it with dual temperature and dual control circulating cooling ensure the normal and interrupted use of the machine.
This is the wire auto-feeding system. It will auto-feeding the wires to filling the gap for the weld gap.
Yes, and the last one, the gas tank. We usually use the nitrogen gas when do the welding work because the nitrogen gas is much cheaper than the argon gas, but the welding effect is as same as when you use the argon gas.
We have 1.5, 1 kilometer, 1 kilowatts, 1.5 kilowatts, and 2 kilowatts handheld fiber laser welding machine. And today we will show the 2 kilowatts handheld fiber laser welding machine to you. This machine can mix weld 5 millimeter stainless steel, 4.5 millimeter stainless steel, and 1.5 millimeter aluminum and other metals. If you need other metals, please tell us. We will recommend the suitable machine for you.
Okay, let's welcome our engineer, Mr. Zhong, to show you how to use our fiber laser welding machine. And also, from the whole process, you will see how the fiber laser welding machine do the welding work.
Welcome.
Welcome to our engineer, Mr. Zhong. Okay, let's do a simple introduction. This is our engineer, Mr. Zhong. He will show you how to use the fiber laser welding machine.
Okay. Only when the guy had touched the workpiece and the ground clamp clamps the workpiece, the laser will start work. This is a protective device to prevent someone from accidentally touching the laser button and causing injury.
Yes, also the machine equipped with the professional laser safety goggles, like this, and the protection gloves. So please don't worry when you operate it.
Okay, first let's show the vertical welding.
垂直焊。
As you can see, the welding speed is faster than the traditional arc welding and electrical welding machine. A machine can seal at least 2 welds a year with fast welding speed.
Yeah, you can see it's very small and beautiful welding joint, right?
Good job.
Well done, Mr. Zhou. Okay, second is the parallel welding, 那个平行焊。Yeah, please see the details. Yes, please see there's no deformation or welding scar from welding of the workpiece. You can see it is smooth welding seam and beautiful. Also with the large depths, small temper, it will help to reduce the grinding process. You don't need to do the second polish work. That will help to save your time and save your cost.
And actually, our laser head has 3 tabs for your choice.
Yes.
Let's show.
Yes. The first one is the static head. Also, like this one, the width of the gap, which this welding head can be welded, is 2.2 millimeters. You can see the red dot.
And the second is the wobble head. With wobble head, the width of the gap that can reach to 0.5 millimeter, and the welding joint is more beautiful than ordinary welding machine.
And we also have the third tab, laser head. It's the laser head with the auto wear feeding system. Okay, first let's install the wears auto feeding system first. Please see the steps. And compare with the traditional welding machines such as the argon arc welding machines. You may know that when you use the argon arc welding machine, you need to feed in the wires by your hand. But if you use our auto-feeding laser welding machines, that will solve this problem very easily. Please see. Please pay attention. Okay, let's adjust the welding parameters again. Yeah, pay attention on the wires. You can see it can auto-feed it. Very smart and fast, right? Yeah.
And those are small workpiece. The handheld fiber laser welding machine has 8-meter long cables. connected to the weld head. It can weld the large product which cannot easy to move with the long cable.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay, from the whole process you see earlier, you can see that the machine operation is very easily, right? It is very simple to learn how to use the machine. And if you buy the fiber laser welding machine, you don't need to hire the professional welders. That will have to save your labor cost. I'm not joking. I can prove it for you. Okay, even a person like me, a fresh user, I never traded with the welding skills before, and I believe that after all the welding parameters set well in the software, and I can do the welding work very well too. Let's do it. First, let's wear the protection laser goggles. Also, let me wear the gloves. Mr. Zhong, please help me to remove this welding system. Wait a moment. Let's remove this system. Let's see how to do this. Okay. Let's have a new examples.参数对吗？参数对吗？就是这个。哦。First, let's do the joint. Okay, please pay attention. The following is the magic time. See? It's also bright and white.
Good job.
Thank you, Crystal.
You can see even the normal people without the welding experience can weld like this.
Yes, and I believe that I can do it. You can do it too. And after the process earlier, and you must be wondering how strong the laser welding is, and if it will welding the metal strong. So let's do the laser welding stress test. Okay, let's welcome Mr. Zhou again.
To the welding test.
拿什么东西砸一下。
Wow, the welding joint is sealed, so please do not worry.
Yes, you can see no matter what metals you do, and you will never and ever destroy it. And so you don't worry if it will be broken after years use. And I'm sure that after some instruction just now, you must have some questions about our fiber laser welding machines. Also, you can see it is really very easy to use and very simple to learn how to use it. And you also don't worry about any details because we will send you the detailed user manual with instructions and the detailed teaching videos to show you how to do the machine installation and how to do the machine, how to use the machine step by step. If you have any questions, we also have the technician department to offer the support all the time.
Okay, I saw some questions from the customers. And you can see.
Okay, Crystal, and I see here are some questions. Wait a moment, let me choose someone. Wait a moment. Okay, the first one. Which metals can a laser welding machine do the weld work?
Okay, as we show you, it can weld stainless steel, carbon steel, aluminum, and other metals. And the second, what's the max gap in the welding product?
Okay, the welding is seamless welding and generally cannot have the gaps. And the gaps can be avoided by adding welding rod, usually with 1.5 millimeters. For example, the 1000 watts can weld through max to 1.2 millimeter welding wire, and the 15,000 watts can weld through the 1.5 millimeters wire. Okay, Crystal, here also is another question. Yes. What are the laser welding consumables?
Okay, the machine only has two consumable parts: is the protective lens and the nozzle.
Okay, thank you.
And how much power consumables is it?
Okay, let's take 1,000 kilowatts, for example. 1,000 kilowatts laser welding, the consumption is 4.5 kilowatts. Okay, let me see the next question. Yeah. Oh, does it need to be connected to the gas? Is it necessary?
Okay, it must have the protective gas. Its function is protected and the cooling the protective lens and the cooper nozzle that the welding effect will be beautiful.
Next
Okay,
question.
the next question. How to maintain water chiller?
Okay, it's about the water chiller. We see here. Yeah, you can see the water chillers behind side. If in the summer, you should fill in the pure water into this and fill in the pure water once a month to replace. And in the winter, and you fill the coolant or the echo for half of the water tank. And in the special cold area, you need to add the antifreeze.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, the next question. It's also a question about the gas. What gas is required for the welding?
The welding can use the natural and the argon. Either can do natural can is much cheaper and therefore most customers choose the natural to weld the metals. And let me see the question.
Also, next one. The next one. Machine operation if it's safe.
Is this machine safe? What's the operation?
Yes. Let me show you. Please see this part. As we showed earlier, this is the ground wire clamp. If when you use it, you need to clamp it to the metal plant, and also your laser head, especially the nozzles also need to touch the metal plant together. For example, this clamp the plant and the nozzles also touch the metals. When you print the button, it will be work, but we see if it will live far from this metal plant. When you print this laser button, that show nothing. See, show nothing. Only when you touch it. And also, if the nozzles touch the metals, but the ground clamp is removable, and when you touch the metals, it also will show nothing. This is a protection system. So please don't worry, it's very safe when you operate it.
Okay, let's see the next question.
Okay, next question. Is your laser welder CE market? About the certificate.
Yeah, our laser welding has the CE certification. It can be shipped to the Europe country with ultra problem.
Okay,
And,
I have any other questions? The last one.
Last one. What kind of the welding can your laser machine do?
Oh, our laser welding machine can do a lot of work, such as plain welding, spheric welding, external fillet welding, angle welding, stick weldings.
Okay, thank you, Elsa.
Okay, thank you. So everyone, the part of our fabulous welding is finished, but